Title 3 Confederation, Cantons, and Communes Chapter 1 Relations between the Confederation and the Cantons Section 1 Duties of the Confederation and the Cantons Chapter 2 Powers Section 1 Relations with Foreign States Article 54 Foreign Relations Number 1 Foreign relations are the responsibility of the Confederation. Number 2. The Confederation shall ensure that the independence of Switzerland and its welfare is safeguarded. It shall in particular assist in the alleviation of need and poverty in the world, and promote respect for human rights and democracy, the peaceful coexistence of peoples, as well as the conservation of natural resources. Number 3. It shall respect the powers of the cantons and protect their interests. Article 55. Participation of the cantons in foreign policy decisions. Excerpt from Federal Constitution of the Swiss Confederation of 18 April 1999. Title 3, Chapter 2, Section 2 Security, National Defense, Civil Defense Article 57, Security Number 1 The Confederation and the cantons shall, within the scope of their powers, ensure the security of the country and the protection of the population. Number 2 They shall coordinate their efforts in the area of internal security. Article 58 Armed Forces Number 1 Switzerland shall have armed forces. In principle, the armed forces shall be organized as a militia. Number 2 The armed forces serve to prevent war and to maintain peace. They defend the country and its population. They shall support the civilian authorities in safeguarding the country against serious threats to internal security and in dealing with exceptional situations. Further duties may be provided for by law. Number 3. The development of the armed forces is the responsibility of the Confederation. Article 59. Military service and alternative service. Number 1. Every Swiss man is required to do military service. Alternative civilian service shall be provided for by law. Number 2. Military service is voluntary for Swiss women. Article 60. Armed Forces Organization, Training and Equipment. Article 61. Civil Defense. The registration of the civil defense of persons and property against the effects of armed conflicts is the responsibility of the Confederation. Number 2. The Confederation shall legislate on the development of self-defense units in the event of disasters and emergencies. Section 3. Education, Research and Culture. Article 61. A. Swiss Education Era. Article 62. School Education. Number 2. They shall ensure the provision of an adequate basic education that is available to all children. Basic education is mandatory and is managed to supervised by the state. At state schools, it is free of charge. Article 63. Vocational and Professional Education and Training. Number 1. The Confederation shall issue regulations on vocational and professional education and training. Number 2. It shall encourage the provision of a diverse and accessible range of courses in vocational and professional education and training. Article 63. A. Higher education institutions. Article 64. Research. Number 1. The Confederation shall promote scientific research and innovation. Article 64A. Continuing education and training. Article 65. Statistics. Number 1. The Confederation shall compile the necessary statistical data on the status and trends in the population, the economy, society, education, research, the land and the environment in Switzerland. Article 66. Education grants. Article 67. Encouragement of children and young people. Article 67A. Musical education. Number 1. The Confederation and cantons shall encourage musical education, in particular that of children and young people. Number 2. They shall endeavor within the scope of their powers to ensure high-quality music teaching in schools. If the cantons are unable to harmonize the goals of music teaching in schools by means of coordination, the Confederation shall issue the required regulations. Number 3. In consultation with the cantons, the Confederation shall set out principles to help young people to engage in musical activities and to encourage musically gifted persons. Article 68. Sport. Number 1. The Confederation shall encourage sport and in particular education in sport. Number 2. It shall operate a sports school. Number 3. It may issue regulations on sport for young people and declare the teaching of sport in schools to be compulsory. Article 69. Culture. Number 1. Cultural matters are a cantonal responsibility. Number 2. The Confederation may support cultural activities of national interests as well as art and music, in particular in the field of education. Number 3. In the fulfillment of the duties, it shall take account of the cultural and linguistic diversity of the country. Article 70. Languages. Article 71. Cinema. Number 1. The Confederation may encourage Swiss film production and film culture. Number 2. It may issue regulations to promote the diversity and the quality of the cinematographic works that are offered. Article 72. Church and State. Number 3. The construction of minarets is prohibited, adopted by the popular vote on 29 November 2009. Section 4. Environment and Spatial Planning. Article 73. Sustainable Development. The Confederation and the cantons shall endeavor to achieve a balanced and sustainable relationship between nature and its capacity to renew itself and the demands placed on it by the population. Article 74. Protection of the environment. Number 1. The Confederation shall legislate on the protection of the population and its natural environment against damage or nuisance. Number 2. It shall ensure that such damage or nuisance is avoided. The cost of avoiding or eliminating such damage or nuisance are borne by those responsible for causing it. Article 75. Spatial Planning. Number 1. The Confederation shall lay down principles on spatial planning. These principles are binding on the cantons and serve to ensure the appropriate and economic use of the land and its properly ordered settlement. Article 75A. National Land Survey. Article 75B. Second homes. Number 1. No more than 20% of the total stock of residual units in the gross residual floor area in any commune may be used as second homes. Article 76. Water. Number 2. It shall lay down principles on the conservation and exploitation of water resources, the use of water for the production of energy, and for cooling purposes, as well as on other measures affecting the water cycle. Number 3. It shall legislate on water protection, on ensuring appropriate residual flow, on hydraulic engineering, and the safety of dams, and on measures that influence precipitation. Number 4. The cantons shall manage the water resources. They may levy charges for the use of water, subject to the limits imposed by federal legislation. The confederations had the right to use water for its transport to operation subject to payment of charge and compensation. Number 5. The Confederation, in consultation with the cantons concerned, shall decide on rights to international water resources and the charges for them. If cantons are unable to agree on rights to intercantonal water resources, the Confederation shall decide. Number 6. The Confederation shall take account of the concerns of the cantons where the water originates in fulfilling its duties